Hi guys, we are here to discuss about the largest man-made explosion before the atomic bomb. The Halifax Explosion. On the 6th of December 1917, the explosives-laden SS Mont Blanc and SS IMO collided in Halifax harbour, causing a massive explosion, a tidal wave, and fires. Over 1,900 people were killed immediately, and 9,000 more were injured. In an instant, 325 acres were destroyed, virtually all of North End Halifax. You all guys have been forgotten this incident. We remembered for you guys about this incident.